Here are 2 SQL best practices that you need to use to become a high-value data analyst. I've seen a lot of code over my 20-plus years of writing SQL, and frequently I see code that looks similar to this. Now, this is incredibly hard to read on so many levels, so here's 2 practices that would make this code look a lot better. The first practice is to make sure that you vertically align all of the code and have proper indentation, and the second practice is to use leading commas. I've seen a few people complain over the years that you shouldn't actually use leading commas, but here's the rationale behind it. I started out writing with the trailing comma like almost everybody else does out there, and I switched this up because it actually offers you a lot of benefit to start with the leading comma. The first thing is you have a nice vertical alignment with this comma, and it really helps to indicate that you have a new field that's being displayed. When you have a trailing comma, you don't always know that each line number is a separate field that's being output. For example, if you had text that wrapped around to the second line, or you had a long case statement that you're working with, it may not be obvious that each line is not actually a singular output. However, anytime you see a line that starts with a comma, you know that that's the beginning of one field that's going to be output. So not only does it look cleaner, it can help you identify fields a lot faster, and this just makes you more efficient at your job. Here's what the final result of some really clean code looks like, and if you compare this to where we started, you can definitely see the difference on where this indentation, formatting, and the leading comma comes into play. When you write clean and well-formatted code this way, you'll be more efficient at your job, you'll produce fewer bugs, and you'll probably make a lot more friends as coworkers in your analytics environment.